Today was about bringing together a whole bunch of people that do earthworks in bananas, especially in the Johnson and Innisfail areas where there's lots of work going on at the moment.
We're trying to get everybody on the same page in relation to the earthworks that are done when developing banana farms.
It'll just help me with my job. When I go out to work, I can tell them not to worry about degrees, just worry about percentages. Row spacings are two. Darryl's way of doing the one row on the steep hills, I like that idea because I've been in places where they're doing 2 rows and it's no good. There's not enough room to make it work.
Contractors are out there on our farms every day and they have a really important role in getting farms ready for planting of bananas.
I haven't really had a lot of contact with them before. I've sort of come in after they've basically done their job, or whatever. A landholder has said they're having this done, and then you come back and see the results.
So for me, Darryl has been a very extensive source of information when it comes to water quality, in particular sediment control and erosion.
It was very good today. We all learned a lot, I think. Watching Darryl show us the mapping was good, how to do the contours, and we've got more to learn yet though.
The highlight for me was when people who are actually working in the field got to talk about the things that have worked for them and haven't worked for them, and new ideas that were spinning around the room. So a big shout out to Gavin, who turned up and talked about it from a grower's perspective, especially as he's trying lots of new ideas on his farm.
Yeah, everybody seemed pretty positive, but I think there's a couple of new people that are still learning and they're willing to have a look at things from a different perspective, and I think we managed to have good discussions with some of these people about how it might be the best to approach some of the soil conservation layouts that they might be doing in the future.
I like it because I know what the future's going to be for what you expect of the farmers. So.
We had a great turnout, people who gave up their day when they could have been out working. So
thanks for the nice dinner, Smoko. Very, very good. Hope you have some more schools.